Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to clean up by yourself any iPhone. Uh, if you want that your iPhone sound like a new, welcome to this video. Okay, let's get started. And for cleaning your iPhone, you need these things. Any nail polish remove, used old toothbrush, and your iPhone. Okay. On your phone you need to download app named Sonic. It's free app, and this app Sonic, and open. Skip all this, skip, 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 done. Okay, you can just close it. Yes, and now we can start. Took your nail polish remover, any, put your toothbrush and start clean up. You need to push button play, and then like this do with all your microphones. Okay, and we need to repeat this process for these options. This one, next one, and third one. That's all. Your iPhone now will be sound like new. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this and this video be helpful for you. Now you can enjoy your sound like a new iPhone. Thank you. Bye.